Every time you see a sub-array problem, sum of elements between index I and j, most developers write a nested loop, big of n square. There is a pattern that makes it big of 1 and it is called prefix sum. Most developers look at a sub-array problem and immediately think writing a loop. Check every pair and every element between them. So in an interview, when they ask, can you do this faster? You have no answer. The interviewer is testing whether you know this pre-processing trick, not whether you can brute force it. Here is the idea. Before you answer any query, build a prefix sum array. Prefix sum array means at every index, store the sum of all the elements from the start up to that index. Index 0 stores the first element. Index 1 stores the element 0 plus element 1. Index 2 stores element 0 plus element 1 plus element 2. So on. Now, to find the sum between two indices I and j, you do not loop through them, you just take prefix sum at j minus prefix sum at I minus 1. One subtraction, big of 1. This is the entire pattern. Example, array is 31415. Prefix sum array, 348, 914. Sum from index 1 to index 3, prefix at 3 minus prefix at 0. 9 minus 3, answer is 6. Without prefix sum, you loop from index 1 to 3 and add. With prefix sum, one subtraction, same answer, 10 times faster at scale. Your trigger, every time you see a problem, sum of elements between two indices, range sum query or count of elements in a range. Stop and ask yourself, can I pre-process it using prefix sum array? Answer the every query in big of 1. That is the senior developer answer. Follow, because every week I am dropping full deep dive on DSA patterns and Java interview questions. DSA Java real interview prep. Subscribe and see you Thursday.